The interface in SolidWorks 2013 looks almost identical to the previous few releases. Although there aren't any major changes, there are a few small tweaks that I'd like to show you. In the task pane, there's now a tab for accessing the SolidWorks forums, which is a nice shortcut to the resources found here. You can also quickly access the SolidWorks troubleshooting tools from the Home tab of the task pane under SolidWorks Tools. I like to use the S key to bring up the shortcut bar as a quick way to launch features and access sketch tools. While you've always had the ability to customize the shortcut bar, SolidWorks 2013 has made it easier to customize. You can go to the Options drop-down menu and choose Customize, or press the S key. Right-click the shortcut bar and select Customize. Then simply browse for the tool you'd like to add and drag and drop it onto the shortcut bar. If you want to remove an icon, just drag it off the toolbar, and you will see the red X appears next to the pointer. Speaking of shortcuts to accessing commands, you can now press the Control key on your keyboard and use the Page Up and Page Down keys to cycle through tabs on the Command Manager. There are a couple of new enhancements with the Feature Manager design tree as well. You've been able to create folders to group features together and help keep your tree organized. But now in 2013, you can create subfolders within folders, which is a nice little enhancement. You can also add a Favorites folder to hold features that you find yourself commonly coming back to in editing. Just select the features you'd like to add, right-click and select Add to Favorites. The Favorites folder is also useful for sharing designs. For instance, if you'd like a colleague to take a look at a few features in particular, you can add them to the Favorites folder so they can find and access them quickly. Finally, when working with part files, you can flatten the tree to show sketches and features in the order they were created in, instead of having sketches absorbed by features like the extrude and so on and so forth. Just right-click and select Tree Display, and then Show Flat Tree View. Just so you know, not all items become unabsorbed in a flat tree view. For instance, notice this isn't the case for a whole wizard feature. Even though there are sketches used, they continue to be absorbed by the feature.